How to create Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Facebook application. Here we go. Your home page appears. Now go to the menu option, open it. Now you will land to this kind of page. Now you have to select this option of pages, tap on it. Now at the top you can find this option of create, tap on it. Now tap on get started. Now here you can give a name to your page, and after you are done, tap on next. Now here you have to select what category best describes you. Here I'm gonna set it to health and beauty. Tap on create after you are done. Now you have to fill up all of this information. First you can add the bio describing about your page. Likewise fill up contact details as website, email, phone number, and then head towards the option of location. Also, you can choose the available hours of your business. After you fill up all of this information, tap on next. Now from here, you can customize your page, adding profile picture and cover photo. And after you are done, you can tap on next. If you want to connect your Facebook page with the WhatsApp, you can type in the number over here and then tap on done. For now, I'm gonna skip this process. Now tap on next. If you want to get notifications from your Facebook page, then you have to toggle on this option of page notifications on your profile. Likewise, if you want to get marketing and promotional emails about your page, then you have to toggle on this icon and then tap on next. Now tap on done. And here you can see that I just created a Facebook page. This is how you create a Facebook page. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.